Today we're going to show you how to search for a recipe. To search for a recipe, we're going to type pancakes in, and now all the pancake recipes will come up on your screen. You have the option of doing an advanced search, as it is shown under the Any menu drop-down bar. I'm going to pick gluten-free, and now only the gluten-free recipe pancakes will come up on the platform. Next, we are going to search for something different. We're going to choose drinks from the category, and under the dish, we are going to choose smoothies. The cuisine and menu will stay the same for me in this scenario, and now we will click on Find Recipes, which should bring all the smoothie recipes up on your screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial.